Okay, so picture this. You're camping,
Right.
You're out in the wilderness, could be the mountains, could be by a lake,
Yeah.
doesn't matter. Sun's going down,
Getting chilly.
getting chilly, you're hungry.
You need food, need some warmth.
You need warmth. And that's where this thing comes in, this HOPUY portable camping wood stove.
Okay.
We're going to deep dive into it today, see if it lives up to the hype. And real quick, if you're loving this, hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends.
Especially the ones who love camping gear.
Especially the ones who love camping gear.
Yeah.
Helps us out a ton. So right off the bat, they're talking about this new trapezoidal design.
Yeah. What is that all about?
Right. What's the big deal?
So apparently they did like thousands of experiments to come up with this.
Thousands. Really?
Thousands. I'm imagining like a whole team of engineers just covered in soot.
I can see it now. Just huddled around a tent, smoke billowing everywhere.
Exactly. But I mean, the point is they're saying this trapezoidal shape makes the wood burn better.
Okay.
Way less smoke.
Less smoke is good. So does that mean like more heat?
Yeah. It's supposed to be more efficient. Like you don't need as much wood to get the same amount of heat.
Oh, that's nice. Less chopping.
Less chopping. Plus, there's this little window made of like heat-resistant glass. You can actually see the fire burning.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah. But how tough is that glass, really? Out in the wilderness, you know, things happen.
Yeah, good point. Speaking of heat, how do you control the temperature? I saw they mentioned adjustable heat output.
Right, so there's a little switch under that window. Controls the airflow. More air, bigger fire. Less air, smaller fire. Simple as that.
So you can crank it up if you need to, or keep it low and slow for cooking.
Exactly.
Now, this is a bold claim, but they're saying it can heat a 6-person tent.
Ambitious.
Yeah. Is there, like, any data on how long it can keep that up?
I didn't see any specific burn times listed, but this thing is definitely bigger than your average little backpacking stove.
Yeah, it's not exactly pocket-sized.
No. And it's got that built-in scraper for ash, so seems like they were thinking about long burns when they designed it.
Okay. Let's talk about the chimney. Seems like a big part of this whole thing.
Right, it's a whole system. 7 pipes, stainless steel,
Oh.
and you can adjust the height depending on your tent,
Oh, yeah.
so it's good for ventilation. And safety, too. They really emphasize the flame retardant materials, which is good.
So you can actually cook inside your tent?
Well, they're marketing it for people who do, like, winter camping, ice fishing,
Okay.
you know, where you'd want a heat source inside. But you got to be careful. You need a tent that's designed for it. Good ventilation.
Right, makes sense. So it's like a portable fireplace and a stove all in one. Pretty neat.
Pretty neat.
But safety first, right? What kind of precautions do they mention?
Oh, yeah. Big emphasis on reading the instructions. And that chimney pipe gets super hot.
Oh, yeah.
So kids, pets, keep them away. They also say the chimney might discolor over time because of the heat.
Interesting. So they're not shying away from talking about wear and tear.
No, which is
Wow.
good. They also talk about their customer service and free replacements if something goes wrong.
Always a good sign. All right, so bottom line for everyone listening, what do we think about this HOPUY portable camping wood stove?
If you're a serious camper, you want warmth, you want to cook, and you want something that's well-designed, it's worth looking into, but do your research.
Absolutely. Safety first.
Always.
We just scratched the surface here, but hopefully this gave you a good idea of what this thing is all about. Let us know in the comments if you've tried it. And if you want more deep dives like this, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends.
We'll see you next time.
Get your HOPUY portable camping wood stove on Amazon today. Link in the description below.